Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes Windows 11 high CPU usage when idle. Fix it fast. First method is run commands. Second method is disable startup apps. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.